Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In this video we will see how to check the consumption of any material in the SAP. This is very helpful and very helpful tool in your budget preparation. So let's see how it works in SAP. So first of all, I want to give you the overview of this. You have to go to the transaction ID MP51. Then when you enter the MP51, you will see this screen. You have to filter. You have to select many options in there for your requirement. For example, you have to write the material stock code here. For the multiple selection, you have to go there and paste your material codes, whatever you want to see. See the consumption of that. Then enter the movement type. This is very important for you because you only want to see the material that you have drawn from the warehouse via MIV. So majority of the warehouse in MM system, in the MM module, the movement type usually belongs to 261 and 201 that you have to write here and then copy and just press then execute it. You will find the list here. So let's do it in the SAP how it goes. So I will write the transaction MP51. This is the screen. Now I want to select the materials. I will go here. I will copy my material list from there. Control C. I will upload it from the clip and copy. Here is the movement type. I will select 201, enter, and 20261, enter. Copy and execute the file. So here is the list here is the consumption list of every stock code in front of me that I have entered in the cell. In this way, you can get any of it. If you want to see the more detail of the document, you just have to double click on here, and you will come to know the past history of this material document, especially with this. In this way, you can get your work order, who was the recipient, who took out the material from the warehouse, and many more things. I hope you learned a lot in this video and it was new for you. Thanks for watching the video.